like apple today. What's the sound for letter B? It's ba 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 like a bouncing bee. A is for apple, B is for ball. Come on, let's say the sounds for all. A says ah, B says ba. Learning sounds is so much fun. Whoa, whoa, yeah. What's the sound for letter C? It's ca like a cuddly cat, you see. What's the sound for letter D? It's like a dog so happy. C is for cat, D is for dog. Come on, let's say the sounds along. C says c, D says duh. Learning sounds is so much fun. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. What's the sound for letter B? It's like elephant. Whee! Let's put the letters all together. Is for ball, C is for cat, and D is for dog. E is for elephant. It says let's sound out our ABCs today. Whoa, whoa. What's the sound for letter E? A, like elephant. Whee! Let's put the letters all together. B, B, C, D, E, forever. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, and D is for dog. E is for elephant. Let's sound out